Maruti has always been the value for money brand. They've always been ruling the hatchback and compact sedan segment in India, but they want to go upmarket with their all-new sedan, the Ciaz. Up front, it has the typical Maruti small three-slated chrome grille with a large S badge on its nose. The rising projector headlamps look spectacular. The side profile looks very neutral as it doesn't have any curves or lines. You get 16-inch alloy wheels. Move to the inside and you will find that the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz has a very great interior. It has a black and beige interior with the wooden strip dividing the two colors. It has a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which also has navigation. You also get a rear view camera and a push start-stop button. Here you get two cup holders and just behind that there is a shelf under the USB port to store your belongings. It has automatic climate control. The center glove box, which acts as an armrest too, has little storage in it, and the door bins can swallow full 1-liter bottle. The glove box has ample of storage in it. It has a massive boot of 510 litre, so in case of practicality, it's way too ahead of its rival. You get a rear sun blind too. The steering does not look great as it is carried from the previous version of Maruti's car. You get a wide and comfortable seat. You get a center armrest with two cup holders. You get rear AC vent and 12-volt socket. It has a 1.4-liter engine which creates a max power of 91 bhp at 6000 rpm and creates the max torque of 130 Nm at 4000 rpm.